Hello, my dear students. Good evening. Today we shall read about a story, the little story of your textbook, third chapter. In this story, we shall read about a little girl and about her attitudes, about her feelings when she was very young, when she was very little, and when she was able to understand something. So first of all, we shall begin it from the morning of the day. Every morning her father was going to office, and when he was going to office, he was coming to her room, and he was giving a casual kiss on her forehead, and she was saying to her father, "Goodbye, father." And in this way he was going to office, and when he was coming from the office, he was really very much tired, so he was feeling irritated or irritation. And in the evening time he was not in very comfortable mood, very comfortable temperament, and that is why he was not talking to the baby lovingly. मैंने बताया आपको कि सुबह प्रतिदिन पिताजी जब उसके पिताजी, हर नेम इज केजिया, इस बच्ची का नाम है केजिया, इसके पिताजी हर सुबह जब ऑफिस जाते थे तो उसको उसके कमरे में जाकर किस करते थे. बट ही वॉज वेरी ग्रेव एट दैट टाइम, सीरियसली, नॉट कंफर्टेबली. और फिर जब शाम को आते थे थके रहते थे, इसलिए इरिटेटेड रहते थे. दैट इज व्हाई ही वाज नॉट टॉकिंग लविंगली टू द बेबी, एंड इन दिस वे द बेबी वाज रियली वेरी मच अफ्रेड ऑफ हर फादर. अपने पिताजी से बहुत डरती थी, इसलिए जब भी उसके पिताजी उससे बात करना चाहते थे तो बोल नहीं पाती थी. Whenever her father was talking to her, she was stammering, she was stuttering, हकलाती थी, बोल नहीं पाती थी. So her father was not very happy to her, with her, and he was telling her grandmother, means his mother, to ease this little girl and to make her understand, to speak properly. तो उस परिवार में उसकी दादी ऐसी थी जो उसे प्यार करती थी, उसे समझाती थी, उसे एनकरेज करती थी. कैसे एनकरेज करती थी? हाउ शी वाज एनकरेजिंग हिम? ऑन एवरी संडे when it was closed day, the office was closed, her father was living or staying in his room, so her grandmother was telling her to go to the bedroom of her father to talk with him nicely, so that the father would be happy with her. इसलिए प्रतिदिन हर संडे को वो जाती थी, लेकिन वो देखती थी क्या? Her mother was sitting in the chair and reading the book, and her father was stretching comfortably on the sofa. He was snoring loudly, he was sleeping soundly, having the handkerchief on his face. तो देखती थी कि पिताजी जो है खर्राटे मार रहे हैं सोफा पर और माताजी उसकी किताब पढ़ रही हैं. So she was sitting on the stool and she was waiting for the awakening of the father. पिताजी की इंतजार करती थी. And when the father was awakened, he looked at the baby seriously, gravely, and once he said that she was looking just like the brown owl. एक बार तो कहे कि क्या तुम मेरी तरफ जैसे एक ब्राउन आउल की तरफ, उल्लू की तरह देख रही हो. बट she was going to the grandmother, then grandmother was comforting her. grandmother उसको comfort करती थी, उसको शांत करती थी. तो one day the grandmother said to her to make or to give to prepare a gift for her father's birthday. And what was that gift? That gift was a pin cushion. A cushion putting the pin on it. So, and she said that this cushion should be with the silk yellow color. So she means here Kezia. Kezia took a cotton cloth and she folded it double times and she stitched from the three sides. One side was open. Now she was thinking how to fill it up. Then she went to the bedroom of her father. On the table there were some pieces of papers, fine papers. Then she collected the papers. She tore all these papers into small pieces and she stuffed them into the cushion. And then she stitched the fourth side. इस प्रकार से पेपर उनके टेबल से लेकर के फाड़ करके और उसमें भर दी. That night there was hue and cry. Hue and cry means noise, great noise, roaring. There was hue and cry in the house of her father because it was the birthday. Her father had prepared a speech for the port authority and he had written in those papers which she had torn. जिस कागज को फाड़ डाली थी उसमें उसके पिताजी ने एक स्पीच लिखी थी, स्पीच देने के लिए, पोर्ट अथॉरिटी को स्पीच देने के लिए, और उसको उसने फाड़ करके भर दिया. एंड व्हेन her mother came to know that she had torn it, then she screamed means चीखने लगी, shouted sharply on her and she dragged her down to the room of the father, and the father also became very angry and he began to shout at her. Then due to the fear she came or she ran hurriedly into her room, and her father came there also and he beat her with the ruler. But it was her grandmother who took the baby into her lap and wrapped in the shawl and took in the room where the birthday was celebrated. But she was panicked, she was afraid, and she was snuggling, she was clinging to the grandmother. अपनी grandmother दादी से बिल्कुल चिपकती चली जा रही थी. One day her mother fell ill, so her grandmother and her mother went to the hospital. उसकी माताजी और उसकी दादी दोनों अस्पताल चली गईं. Now in the house only her father and the cook were left. Then the cook let her sleep in her bed, but she refused it. उसके कुक ने उसको उसके बिस्तर पर सुलाया लेकिन वो इनकार कर दी. क्यों? Why? Because very often while she was sleeping she was dreaming the nightmare. Nightmare means भयानक स्वप्न. तो प्राय वो भयानक स्वप्न देखा करती थी. और संध्या का समय होने लगा और वो कही कि जब भयानक स्वप्न देखूंगी तो क्या होगा. But her cook made her sleep and she began to see the nightmare, the fearful dream. Then she began to cry screamingly, loudly, जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगी. Her father was also sleeping beside her. पिताजी भी उसके बगल में सो रहे थे. Then he lit the candle and he was standing by her. When she saw the father, so she stopped crying. But at that time her father took her into his arms and also took to her big bedroom, and there he tapped her head, her back, and he comforted her. तो पिताजी उसको ले गए अपने बड़े वाले बेडरूम में और उसको थपथपाए, सुलाए. Then again she began to see the nightmare and her body was stirring, moving. फिर उसके पिताजी जब उसकी शरीर हिल रही थी तो पूछने लगे कि क्या हुआ बेटा. तो वो बहाना कर गई. She excused and she said that her head was on the chest of her father. She was feeling that her heart was going, her heart was beating, and she said in the last her father that he was best daddy. और अंत में उसने अपने पिताजी से कहा, से बोली कि कोई बात नहीं पिताजी, मैं कोई स्वप्न नहीं देख रही थी, मैंने फील किया आपके हृदय की धड़कनों को और मैंने महसूस किया कि आप जो है एक बेस्ट डैडी हैं. इसमें बीच में एक छोटी सी कहानी छूट गई मैकडोनाल्ड्स फैमिली की. तो उसके घर के बगल में देयर वाज अ फैमिली लिविंग नेक्स्ट टू हर हाउस. इट वाज मैकडोनाल्ड्स फैमिली एंड मैकडोनाल्ड had 5 children and he was playing with his children in the garden. And when Kezia saw, she came to know that there were different kinds of fathers also in the world. पहले जानती थी कि सारे पिता जो है ये क्रूएल ही होते हैं, हार्ड होते हैं, लेकिन जब मैकडोनाल्ड को अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलते हुए देखी तो उसे लगा कि नहीं, और प्रकार के भी पिता होते हैं. लेकिन अंत में उसके समझ में आ गया कि उसके पिताजी जो हैं वो थके होते थे. He was very much tired when he was coming from the office and that is why he was irritated and he was not talking anybody lovingly. तब उसके समझ में आया कि उसके पिताजी क्यों ऐसा करते थे, क्योंकि वह ऑफिस से आने के बाद थके होते थे. तो in this way she came to know the reality and the real logic about the or behind the irritation of her father. Thank you my dear students. That's all, and I will give you the question answer in written. Okay.